Log into your portal using login ID and password. Enter PAN application details like application type, category, name as per Aadhaar, date of birth, mobile number, email ID and type of PAN, that is whether e-pen or physical PAN card. An option of selection of mode is available to user between eKYC and eSign. Please select option. Please note, if user does not select any option, by default, user will be redirected to eKYC option. If user selects eSign option, user will be navigated to PAN service portal. Enter applicant's Aadhaar details carefully. Enter name as appearing on Aadhaar, in name as per Aadhaar field. Demographic authentication will be performed with the details by clicking on Submit button. Ensure that consent of the applicant is ticked before going for authentication. Please remember these important checklists while entering details. Data entered in name as per Aadhaar, gender and date of birth or year of birth should exactly match with Aadhaar. Initials are permitted only in middle name if appearing on Aadhaar. This facility is not applicable to minor and non-individuals like HUF, firm, etc. Let's understand this with example. Please note that combination marked and correct signs are allowed to be entered on PAN form, that too, if appears in Aadhaar in same sequence. On successful authentication, user will be navigated to applicant details. User can view and verify details entered on earlier pages. User will verify name as per Aadhaar. User can edit field, name that he would like printed on PAN card. Similarly, if user is known by any other name, he can mention the same by choosing yes option. After this, user will be directed to parent details. Enter applicant's father name. For individual application, father's name is mandatory while mother's name is optional. However, if mother name is selected to be printed on card, then mother name is mandatory to be entered. In case if a mother is a single parent, user can choose single mother option. Here also, please remember that initials are permitted in father's middle name and mother's middle name field. Please remember, married lady should also enter father name only in father name field. After this, user will be navigated to other details. Select an option between physical PAN or only e-PAN. If user selects only e-PAN, then only soft copy of PAN will be sent to applicant's email ID. Select source of income, as the case may be. If source of income is salary or business profession, then office address is mandatory. Enter telephone and email ID carefully to receive application updates. After this, user will be navigated to assessing officer code, that is AO code. User will select state and city as per residential address available on Aadhaar. Based on the above selection, a list will be shown. Select area code, AO type, range code and AO number as per location. Enter place and date. After this, you will be navigated to document details section. Select proof of identity, proof of address and proof of date of birth from available options. Here, for photo and signature upload, remember these important checklists. Photo and signature image should be in GIF, JPG or PNG format. Size of photo and sign should not be more than 50 kilobytes. Photo and signature image should be in color and clearly visible. Do not upload shown images. Ensure that photo and sign get uploaded in their respective field only. Strictly follow above guidelines for successful upload. Before proceeding with upload supporting documents section, remember these important checklists. Documents are accepted in PDF format only. Document should not be password protected. Copy of document should be properly scanned and clearly visible. Ensure that uploaded document contains name, date of birth, and address of the applicant as per PAN application. If Aadhaar contains name, date of birth and address, then Aadhaar can be collected as single proof. Protean will send discrepancy email to applicant if photo sign or supporting document is not as per guidelines provided. You may visit our website to know more about supporting documents. Please note that there is a change in website URL. www.tin-nsdl.com is now www.protean-tin-pan.com. Then user will be navigated to the confirmation page. User will check and reconfirm all the details entered in application. User will be navigated to eKYC authentication portal. Below two options are available for eKYC authentication: OTP-based eKYC or biometric-based eKYC. If user selects OTP-based eKYC, then OTP will be sent on applicant's mobile and email ID registered in Aadhaar. User will have to get OTP captured through applicant for performing eKYC. On submission of valid OTP, user will get a screen of successful eKYC authentication. For biometric-based eKYC, the biometric device, that is, Morpho, Mantra or Precision needs to be registered through RD Service app of respective company by downloading from Google Play Store. Kindly follow instructions shared by Protean from time to time for biometric settings for successful authentication. When user selects biometric-based eKYC, below page will be displayed. Here, user can select the device and capture the fingerprints and click on Submit button. After successful fingerprint capture, user will get a screen of successful eKYC authentication. After eKYC authentication, user will be navigated to eSign screen. Enter 10-digit Aadhaar number and ask applicant to provide consent for e-signing PAN application. OTP will be sent to applicant's mobile number and email ID registered with Aadhaar. User will enter the OTP received through applicant and click on Verify OTP. On successful OTP verification, user will get success page. When user will click on OK, the page with TXN ID, TXN status, pay amount and acknowledge number generated will be displayed. PAN applicant will receive PAN application PDF and payment receipt on email ID registered in application in this format. User can check status of transaction through transaction status page.